Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save, edit and manage the saved cards in Chrome app on computer. So open the Chrome app. Say suppose this is the demo page that we are going to use for this video. And here I have to fill the card number. So when I'm clicking on it, nothing is happening. So for first, what we need to do is we need to save the card information in the Chrome app. So for that, click on this three dot options. Go to Passwords and Autofills, and here you have the second option which says Payment Method, which will open in a new tab. Now ensure that you have this option enabled, which says Save and Fill, and save the security code CVV. If you want, you can just disable that option, and also enable this option. Keep this option enabled where it checks if the payment method is saved. So once these options are configured according to your need, you have this payment method, and here you can click on this add command and enter the card details. So we will just enter the dummy card detail here and hit on save command, which will save this card. So once you have saved this card, if you move back to this demo page and refresh this particular page, once you are done, previously when we clicked on the card number, nothing has popped up. Now if I click on this card number, you can see this pop-up is coming up where it is asking me to use the details, and based on the changes that I have saved here, the card number and the expiry date and everything has been auto-filled. So I can enter the CVV number here, and then I can process with the payment. So this is one way, and the other way is that whenever you fill in the card details, sometimes the Chrome will automatically detect the different cards, and then it will ask whether you want to save it or not. You can choose either to save or not, and all these saved cards will be appearing here. So this is way to save the cards. Now if you want to edit the card details, what you can do is you can go back to this payment methods again. From here in this options menu, go to password and payments method, which will bring you to this option, and here the saved payment methods will appear, and click on this three dot options here and click on edit command, and it will give you the card edit details in the editor mode, where you can choose to change the details. And then once you have made the changes, hit on save command, and based on your customizations, the changes will be reflected. And similarly, if you want to use the same details, you can just click on this command, and then it will use the updated details. This way you can edit the card details, and deleting the card is very simple. Just click on this three dot option and choose the delete command and confirm the deletion, and it will remove the saved card details from your Chrome app. So in this way you can add, edit and manage your card details in your Chrome app on computer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.